Cameron's special Thanksgiving edition, part 2. And now we got tomato mix and out of butter, salt, pepper, olive oil, zest 2 lemons, and make the juice, 3 cloves of garlic, chop the parsley, mix, and then mix it. Now we're going to stuff it into our turkey. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the special Thanksgiving edition. Now we're stuffing our garlic mix in. I'll just show you a better view. You can't really see it, but we're stuffing it in. Yeah. Oh, please like and subscribe this video because we made it really special. Oh, also we're going to make maybe a Christmas special edition. Or should I say Christmas special edition? But okay. Give me a comments below what you have for Thanksgiving. Maybe it could be crab, maybe it could be... And we're back. And now since we just had the butter and the olive oil and the Holy Gospel barbecue rub by the Meat Church, now we're going to put it in the oven at 424 and after 10 minutes. Welcome back. And now since the turkey is on, we've wrapped for 10 minutes, we wrapped it with bacon. Let's see how it's looking. Wow! It's looking pretty good, but it needs a little more cook because the bacon looks... Okay. And we'll be right back.
And here it is, all finished. Cameron would like to thank all of his fans, friends, and family. Catch his next video and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.